The conversion rates went to 25% by making this one change. Check it out. And did you know the average website gets less than a 1% conversion rate? That's probably you. That means for every 1,000 website visitors, less than one person signs up. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how we're able to increase conversion rates with these 3 secret landing pages that increase conversions. Why? Because we make it all about your leads. Hey there, my name is Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Been doing this marketing stuff for over 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. These videos are no fluff. I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well. And if you want this entire system, comment system down below, somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer, let's dive in. This is some results from the last week from one of our clients we implemented this for. Now they're a growing brand. They've been in business for about 1.5 years. They were able to get 16,000 views from a few marketing efforts on Twitter, YouTube, and Google. And what happened was we got over 4,000 signups in the last week with a 25% conversion rate. Now, your marketing has to be on point. Your marketing has to be exactly for your ideal customer. You have to be helpful. You have to be educating them. And then when you finally get them to the landing page, the copywriting needs to be on point. It needs to promise that you're going to help them solve their pain point. Now, how do we know it's going to solve that? If you take a look at this average page time, this is a super important factor. This means your landing page, what you're saying on your landing page, is resonating with the visitors. Super important. If this was only 13 seconds or just a minute on page, it means all the people that are coming from your marketing efforts see the landing page, they don't resonate, they don't want to sign up. Now I'm going to show you the landing page here, but if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get these exact 3 landing pages copied and pasted over for you to edit and use for your brand. All right, so here's page number 1. What we want to do is a couple important factors here. We want to give them a timer so they know that there's only a certain amount of time to get this offer. We want to have a 1 to 2 minute video explaining exactly what they're going to receive if they give you their name and email. Then we need to put the most effort and focus in the copywriting here at the top. This needs to say, I know exactly what your pain point is. This free piece of education, this free guide, this free webinar, whatever you're giving away for free is going to help you solve that. In my system, I help you solve how to automate your business with 3 simple steps. What is something you can help your customers with for free so they get super high value and want to schedule or pay you? And then from there, we want to break down every single step that they're going to receive as soon as they fill out the form. Don't hide it from them. Just be super clear, break it down. Now, as soon as they hit this button, we want to be able to just do a pop-up and ask for their name and email. Try not to ask for too much information. On the next page, this is where I like to have an educational video about 2 to 5 minutes long. We also want to tell them, hey, it's not done. Don't close this page. A few more things we need you to do here. In this video, you're going to tell them to go check their email and get that offer that you promised them. It should be in their inbox so they can go grab it. You also want to tell them that you're going to help them with more things. If you watch this video, I'm going to break down how you can also use this guide to accomplish something else. That's what you want to say in the video. From there, we want to tell them to fill out the survey so we can give them more value. If they fill out the survey, this is only going to allow you to give them more value on the next step, but it's also going to help you figure out if it's the right person for you. Now, based on their answers in some of these surveys, we want to either filter them. If somebody says for me that they're an agency or a coach, maybe I want to send them to my schedule page. If they say that they're maybe software and content, I want to send them to my upsell page. So you want to think and use a survey like this to help filter your ideal customer versus somebody that maybe wouldn't be a good fit to work with you. At the end, I'm going to give you this entire snapshot into a Go High Level account. These surveys are built in Go High Level, and they allow you to set up custom variables, scoring, and ways for you to filter based on the different answers here. So I highly encourage you to use an automation system like that. Now, if they say that they're the perfect fit, and whatever they filled out in these 2 to 6 questions here, you can send them to your schedule page. But this is where the magic happens. If they're not somebody you want to schedule, and maybe somebody that isn't ready to buy from you right away, we're going to give them a special offer. And what we want to do is one more video. This can be about 30 to 60 seconds long. And we're going to tell them that they can get everything from you at a lower cost. This is what's going to increase those conversion rates, help you stay off a ton of sales calls, and get people to automatically sign up. What you're doing is you're promising something of high value, you're giving it to them and educating them here, and then what you're saying is if you pay now, you get the best offer ever. And that's where you want to go through and tell them all the benefits if they do sign up. This is exactly what they're going to get. They're going to save money. They're not going to see this offer again unless they go through this sales funnel. Make it easy for them to become a client. Now, I do want to encourage you to give them your best offer because you don't have to spend any time on sales calls convincing them. So give them that best offer so they sign up and give them the most value as possible. All right, so just like I promised, I've got these 3 pages as templates in Go High Level. If you sign up with my Go High Level link below, my team will transfer these pages over to you so you can customize them and design them for your brand. And if you comment system down below, we'll send you the full system so you can break it down, see how it works from the marketing to the landing page to even the email automation follow-up. We automate that in an automation pack that you can use. Just respond back to our email and we'll send over this template so you can use it yourself. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel so I can send you more videos every week on marketing, ads, and automation. And if you want to learn more about this follow-up stuff, which I think is the most important thing about businesses, you can use this playlist here. And I talk about all the different follow-up techniques that you can use to make sure your leads never forget about you. And thank you again for watching the video. I hope to see you on my next one. All right, now I can take a deep breath. I got this camera going off. Maybe you heard the beep. I got my phone blowing up. If you don't make videos yet, you should. They're fun, but they're stressful.